You're welcome to Simswat online flower tutorials. I'm Mrs. Oluyinka Oduobi of Fascinator by Simswat. You remember I showed you how to make this, how we change this from the statement that was there. Now I'm going to show you. I want to add two of this. So I'm rolling. This time around, I applied, remember, UHU. So if you didn't see, if you've not seen part one of how I made this, please go and check this so that you understand this one better. I have two of this, which I've already done. You remember again how I made this. So what I'm going to do, which I've already applied the gum here, this one stopped here. So I'm just going to do the continuation of it. Overlap it. I always like to overlap mine. Overlap and just continue. So if you want to do two of this, fine. If you want to do three of it, fine. If you want to do four, as many as possible, you are free to do it. And look at it. Look how beautiful it looks. And what I would just suggest is you get your wording. You might get something like this, so that, or any round round objects, make sure you circle it. You will look at this. If you look at this, you will see that it's smaller, so you have to look for something that will be able to cover the whole of this flower. And if you don't, you can also place it maybe on top of this. Let me show you what you can also do. Because if you don't get a round object, let me show you what you can also do. Just place your gum around it randomly and carefully. Place this on top of it. And you see what I've done. And you now get your scissors and start cutting. If your hand is not straight, you might find this one very difficult to do. Actually, you have to be careful, and you have to see where you are cutting. You have to be very careful when you're doing this. If you can't, you can come from the front. First of all, cut around. Then you can now go and trim very well. So you now trim. But remember that all this is still going underneath anything that you're going to work with. But I just like you to, you can put your stones, you can put anything. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, comment about it, and I will definitely give you your answer. Thank you for joining the program. God bless you.